when a bit to me see or chinabi, and so when you are more was say you too far hono. Yen yet that as one mine. This a yeni no how be a see and Sani Akutu Sanamon. It is very, very worrying, very, very disheartening. Pass it, sadden air koso. And to me, my suggestion to the president and the health minister say, come on, munti okuobi. Na the whole Ghana among called round. Say bosumi miansa, and a mode be more. They should go around the whole Ghana. Your health sector, no health facilities, no. They should go there. No mun ko a hawa a woho. Challenges are facing. Then the president can include it ebia the next year budget muse for the next 6 months health sector no, or prioritize it and more o to their fahuni and nearma or ye their fahuni sebeya once and for all those say yet to be nyina mfamfiri hodi but the here na here agent attention here agent resolution no na company for two and more e dia fa ho ya solve it. Because ye ni baby akọ mpanifo no se ne asemba ye be pega omo play mu deche ne ye de omo kwa manone no akọja yarehwe akọja yaresa no asen aba but me no mienu na taxpayers money no free and chain me no mienu na ye juma baku mienu a ye ya ban no etete ye tax na e wo se oboa sebe ya yen sanso ye ho so ne mpega sa sika kese no emfa ye ho nkwa ma no ne nkodi ayaresa no anka obe provide in these hospitals, these health facilities a bit to me aboy anka ye kwa akodi ayaresa ne ayarehwe no sa ensi sa enkoso. I think it is high time I wasn't paid for the money con no more to say na moyi e de amai. Now let's go to your next video. Now say arrest ahodoa ekokoko so abaya bia na odi President John Dramani Mahama atemze ane yenku Mahama yenku president na asefo ehun sembe ye twi enra efiti na wi akọ na nwumre anyante ese ya chisa abaya yi. But this is my plea. As much as the government is doing worse when it comes to speeches, freedom of speech, free speech, ahodo a wo hodo no. Yet me mo fon so ye wasudi. I was here 2 year hofo. Mama maye nkasa ye pese ye trend content creation ti. Content creation ti. Obehu no obi threaten aposifo na obi kasa kasa fi kasa twitwie de kire aban. Di aban atem enye. That is not how we are raised as Ghanaians. Enye culture no. Enye yesu ni aban no. Enye ye ntete no. And some fata say because of content creation ti ni e dimpenifobia tem ni e cancer mo ni okwase e ka na kasa fi kasa tantan kasa chie ni e ka akokwa abofra ketua wo 2020 e bia nyini aboro so akra wo mu 30 years na wudi obi a obetumi aye wo nana atem enye fine nyina yatia and the then opposition no more bemo NDC led by our national executives no mo na mo to jom bi say kuna na do mayen erade kuna na do mayen or say it was uncalled for, it wasn't necessary. Sabi na nyansa bia nim mu ko demonstration say ochichi dipa na say for fine but sa enyom no ya no mo di ko demonstration na enye. And to me feel say I don't know influence ye binum because of your kind of politics a ye wo krom hanti no. Binum also feel say we mo ye bi ne enso ye na eye esefotase enso ye. And wo mo so dey kasa no. The continuous arrest of Ghanaians because of ignorant when it comes to nema bi or more other vagabond, you know, and your faith. And that I strongly disagree. And your faith at time. But then the rampant arrest no so koso no e ya bruzu o anwe ya nyuma pa ne ne ma pa ban no so eye no ye hu because BNI etumi di obo ho gimu se wo bia kasa fi kasa twi no ono akwakochi obi we nya BNI for adwuma we enya BNI for adwuma so obo nanti no ye chichi debi we nya BNI for adwuma BNI for adwuma but then moment ensem na abaya no kan ye ya lead to an arrest
kujo mahama maya wo man kujo mahama maye ni ye wanjai se o di ani odi ye fa matiu maka omu abrekura yenku wi anade yenku ku nipa na yenku di ne yire kwase ya peni na man kujo mahama maya wo man kujo mahama maye ni ye wanjai se o di ani odi ye fa matiu maka omu abrekura yenku wi anade yenku ku nipa na yenku di ne yire kwase ya peni na
the rampant arrest no yabroso jinsemu kura yehwe na enye bibi mfamfa ho ensem fata kura. It's not fine, it's not fair, it's not encouraging back see eni wo kwan say yeso emoyen awofo nso ye wasudie because of trend and content creation ti yamayi nso ya jinsemu menim say follow yamayi de ya obo ye no social media no so a ana because of say sika obenya ne followers ne likes obenya no odi beba fie nti di oye bia no emfa ye ho eye so omo yes ana there be menya sure. So let's be very careful. Let's be very, very careful about these utterances. Now let's move to the Parliament House. Now if you hear the Speaker of Parliament on and some of the two Jadefa Asante Achim North, one more member of Parliament and the arrested now you're chin the Netherlands, Kwame Agyarko. Yeah, Ochiremu say Parliament is working with government to ensure justice. See a several. Around here is Okopimo Asante Achim Nofa. The kind of investment, the kind of connections I shall say a creative, ne a D image or the Masante Achim Nofa. It will be encouraging to note that Yabenya all our MPs going the same line, but very, very worrying. I mean, how no say, Yachi no me nim Samorokuji to Waha, your foreign affairs ministry in Somoha, your penny for more ha. Was these are our partners, our machi, our member of parliament. Fitiwa yantinhi min shede hu ana montuo bi aban etu min hu ana montuo bi a ebia ne collaborations bi ekoso to make sure say you benya a member of parliament in the back, because I do not think say you to me arrest a senate of the United States in this our country just like that. Menya sure yes rokra but I then as a mrofu idi omunsuro yen na omo de de omo pe bi omo tumi de yen at any time omo tumi eye de omo pese omo pe bia menim say video na e ready a yentie speaker of parliament and someone ra body tuja.
Parliament is working with government to ensure justice is done in this matter. I will in due course keep the House updated with developments in the matter. Meanwhile, permit me on your behalf to convey the empathy of the House to members of his family and his constituents for this unfortunate development, and to call on them to exercise restraint, for we are everything to make sure that he is accorded all the due respect, dignity, and the opportunities available to all of us in international law. So please keep your cool and leave those who are involved. I'm happy that voluminous information has been given you as to the steps that have been taken by the Minister of Foreign Affairs together with our mission in Holland. Honorable members, is it important, very, very important, for us to always remind ourselves that we are here as servants of the people. And it is important to keep uppermost in our minds that the power and authority we exercise as members of parliament are delegated. The power and authority emanate from Ghanaians who, as expressed in the Constitution and other laws, place their trust and hope in us. Our actions, words, and decisions must therefore reflect and inspire that trust and hope. The Ghanaians have made it clear in the Constitution that nobody, and I repeat, nobody is above the law. Not even the Ghanaians that we represent. They are not above the law. Parliament is working with government to ensure justice is done in this matter.
Biden Samoa, speaker the Tuja and Ra, the arrest of Asante Achim North member of parliament. And me question me say yachi papa yi call me trim negusu edna me trim say before his arrest
of the house
almost communicating to the government of Ghana and even to your parliament, you know, say when we
call on them to exercise restraint.
Mamenko homaso na minko din komo kakra emra. Emra me catch you say Papa Kwasin Diom the GN Bank Court of Appeal our restoration of GN savings and loans license area man. Ti mamenko homaso na many international law. Ashley Ebenezer or your financial consultant.
Keep your cool.
Coding komo ahomano so na fi yen na dwen kire wo ho. Dr. Anopai, sir, what you mean, Martin?
Voluminous information has been given you as to the steps that
Doctor Matibim. I said, maintain Doctor and County, yeah, keka. Doctor Mathieu. Oh, I'm finding it difficult. Say, mate, on cover. Then, in producer, say, bit to me, far. Hello, Doctor. Feel to me, guy. No. Okay, let's try. Hello. I see. Hello. Okay. You try very well. Say, me to me, and you're the voice of Doctor. And you are connecting the year na fi. Ya DM komo. Na fi ya jinchi mo ahodo. Edi afa GN Bank. Womo arrest yi womo restoration yi ho nsesem ti yanko doctor good morning biem me ba chona abom ti say
nyame adom ade akye nya
ya da oba de na say doctor yemra mu straight na menje or reaction because we are financial consultant emra wabra what is a court of appeal or that the restoration of GN savings and loans on my license, you know. Papa, what are you saying?
Piano medical achia metifonya chi anopay enogram sen fie kakra abetwamuni no GN Bank eska kwaba bia aban no edine dwumadade egu ho nemse no tutu na antie no asupam nemse na anye energy kwanso na ansasa abani hihye ebe so no anase ebe magien bank edime dwumadade egu ho no yemu binmu ye abotiam nyansapo nhwehwemu emane epie wo yasa fananya ko kratam ne protocol for international journal na eno eye naso any hweso maskakwa ba tan no na auditu na namono na skakwa bi ahodo na omo atechima efa omudwumedie ho no ntina ekame se skakwa bi ba tan no atumitu anamo ehweso omudi omonyuma dade ebegu ho no samna na GN Bank enka ho ansa skakwa bi ba tan ya Bank of Ghana ebema jumago bi ediomo jumadade egu hono na yewo nhweso anase ensenia hodo bi waska kwabi nhihye ase waska kwabi bi enwo ho anase ne jumadie no eho tichima efasa ensenia hodo no ho a ebeba ne so di ne jumadade egu ho na ye bubo ebiso ntemtem a me so hanche mu edu no edaska pragia parka na so na so usikaten no no ska pragia parka na timi afamo na odumadi na koso sine beya oni timemofo ayetwedifo nhihye no enkopa sombe hu se usikasem hihye no ho akadwem na saa nhweso yi enyade a saa mre no GN Bank in Shishano or two sa emrano capital adequacy ratio. After so you will be a friend non-performing loans. Non-performing loans in say Udi Sikadudo Bebo Moku Nyankwa Busia. A baby no would need to two Usika Uditi a Janua a Pigaco ye pa Impempina is the crabby injury. Dutono areshemu enenese obehwete obo obiabusia nsabeka sikano na mom se obobusia na se ye wo wiase matro enchem etumisi ni bi ho a onsusu se bebo ejimoku bia akwama na se nyimoku bia akwama na sa nkwankwa akwama etumisi eno ne ma obiabobusia kwa ni tiane eyetiana nti sɛ sika wo de afam nkɔfoɔ dodo wodi tutu sika dodo a wɔni agyigyi efiri mu no ho a ɛpagya kɔ ɔhankyɛn bɛsɛ nim kɔ edu ɛho a ɛmsɛ ade a ɛnyɛ yɛ biribi a ɛyɛ ɔhaw nanso bere a sakra bi abaatan yɛ sɛ nnukwu ahodoɔ bi mfa mo dwuma dada ngu hɔ no na sakra bi ahodoɔ bi wɔ hɔ a wohwɛ a sika dodo a wɔde afam nnukwu ne ankwankora no woka ne nyinaa bɔ mu a nea ɔmo atumi agye no ɛnwo ɔhankyɛn mu dudum anaasɛ duonu ne kyerɛ sɛ dodoɔ no ne nea aka nnukwu no ne ankwankora no ebi deɛ kora wɔ hɔ a ɔhankyɛn mu aduoson wɔtwe ne akyire point wɔtwe 78.8% non-performing loans ɛne sika aka dwa mu meno kasa na GN Bank ne sika dodoɔ na ɔde abɔ bil nkurɔfoɔ busua no watumi agyigye mu fa na nea na aka nkurɔfoɔ yɛ sika ɔde abɔ aban no busua nanso hwɛ nkrataa mu a ɔbɔ aban no busua wɔ bere a na NDC aban na ɛte so na brand NDP aban baa no na sika no bi dɔɔ sɛ yɛtua ma GN Bank nanso na GN Bank ɛtoa namo a na ɛnyɛ ade a ne nsa ka sika no firi aban no hɔ ne nyinaa ka ho na ɛma na dwumadie no ɛho tiikyema no na animanim a no ne sika dodoɔ ɔde abɔ busua wɔtumi agyigye nea na ɛho aka dwa mu a ne tua na ɛtua na yɛ sika ɔde abɔ ɔman no aban no busua na nka nnukwu na ɔsɛ ne tua no ɛtumi ɛyɛ mmerɛmmerɛ ɛma GN Bank ne ɛtɔ so biom ɛyɛ corporate governance and risk management ɛno no ɛyɛ sɛ yɛti sikakorabea no ebi wɔ a sɛ bi nea nyame ato ne nsɛm a ɔdi akotene a yɛde ti sikakorabea no ɔnni sɛbi mpraduasa sika korabea nhyehyɛ ho nimdeɛ nanso ɛsan sɛ ne sika na ɛwɔ mu nti ɔbɛpɛ sɛ ɔno bɛdi akotene ɛwɔ ne nhyehyɛ mu ɛyɛ mu adwamtena ni ade ɛbasa ma ɔmo atwa ho ahyia no sɛ fofia nto ata na ɔmo de nsia ɛda ne wɔ nkron nyame nkyɛ de saa mmerɛ no na ɛnyɛ ade a GN Bank ne nhyehyɛ no saa ɔhaw yi ɛyɛ ɔhaw bi a na memem anaasɛ abebare adwumakuo no ɛkɔn mu na ɔmo nne saa corporate governance and risk management ɔhaw no bi ɛni hɔ afei nso adeɛ baako nso a na sikakora bi abaatan ne hwɛ paa ne sɛ afe biara kɔ ne wie a afe foforɔ akyɛ bosom mmiɛnsa mu no sikakora biara de ne nkuntabuo ɛwɔ afe atwa mu no ɔde bɛbɔ n'akyɛ ahodoɔ na dwedifoɔ ɛho sɛnea ne sikasɛm nhyehyɛeɛ ɛsi ɛkɔ no ɛfa na ɔmo ɔmo sɛ sikakora bi ne ne di edwa no ɛyɛ ade a ne ho ntekyema ɛnyɛ ɔhaw bia a yɛne ne di dwa ɛbɛkɔ sɛ ne ɛsɛ fata pɔtɔ kasa yɛbɛka no submission and display of audited financial statements saa mmerɛ a na saa bɔdɛm nyansapɔ nhwehwɛmu yi kɔ so ɛno ne nyinasoɔ no na GN Bank ɛntoo saa mmerɛ yi nso ɛyɛ ade a na ne nkuntabuo no ɛnyɛ ade a sakora bi abaatan de ato dwa sɛ GN Bank ka ɔmo a na afe no kɔ ne wie a ɔmo ntumi nyi mu ɔmo nkontaa sɛnea ɛsɛ ɛfata ɛno nti wohwɛ saa nneɛma ɔhodoɔ yi a na ɛma GN Bank sɛbi ɛnya ne ti edidim sɛ na ne sika dodoɔ no akadwa mu no nso na ɛwɔ aban no ahɔ ɛno akyi nso sɛ how na ɛto ɔman no nti adwenkyerɛ ahodoɔ a ɛkɔ so wɔ nhwehwɛmu no awieɛ a pɔtɔkata ɛbɛfrɛ recommendations a sikakora bi abaatan ɛhwɛ so ɛdedi n'adwuma no baako ne sɛ sɛbi mpanyinfoɔ sɛ wɔn bi pɛnti na aboa serewa ɔdware ne ba na wɔyi n'ano asi nkyɛn ɛno nti ɛwɔ sɛ sikakora bi abaatan no ɛyɛ ahwɛhan sɛbi ɔfi n'ani te sɛ tankers wabo fie kapɛso asama wa hwɛ nsuo no mu ahwɛ aseɛ sɛ nyɛ bi akoko bibire bi wɔ mu a ɛwɔ sɛ sikakora bi abaatan if you say in Muku one at the AS Crabia Hodono, or if you're a Mutumu DNSN as a photo, that's a big one teacher man when in the minimum to me at a meeting. I drink I call one and comment say Biana Gian Bank, a tree or mine cow did known to me and the Jumadian cousin as a patano. And no, you so ask a Crabia Patano. Etima ordinate Juma that they go. Scrabia Batan, young chick Mokaka, and Fuxia Matian Bank, and for the Juma that they go. Nidika or Tini. Dibe was sick as a mission, so a platform. Now, yes, Scrabia be ultimately need to Ghana Commercial Bank, Society General, any in Kaya, merchant bank, merchant bank, no, or what's out the doing, yet in the school by savings and loans. And which you know, answer the but and man or the that they are going. And he say, and I come back or man, she say, GN Bank, ever funding to my afro, Nisika Sanchi share one. So the year moving mama, I think give me no nine as a bit to a banner. You moving in Yamahodo about from Tintan, so I a theatre, I can't take the face there. And yeah, dear, not GN Bank, I can't step out or Moka, I Mudin. And I was said that Grabian to and Amon. Ushan Kayan and Yan, dear, comfort to make a sound with you. So, Amona and Lamincha, Amon, a cat, Omubumo. Yes, Kakwaga Bank, airplane CBG Bank, Air Consolidated Bank, and no, yes, the Kakwaga Ahodona, a fancy commercial bank, and so me no, as a carne, and Krabatana, I must say, or Miss Water in the Shamo, Anti, as Kakwaga who do the Mujima that they go. Now, Ukuma, and Yadia Mujimutino, a free Jiji Shamo, Nemo, ma Konya Sonko, no, as I do na best and so on, or more that's we Nina Consolidated Bank Ghana Limited. And I will know Sakoka Ghana Commercial Bank is from GCB Bank and he said, GN Bank as I did not announce a year moving Mama, and our friends will send them the kind of not a man the GN Bank. And he say a bank Sikadodo na a man also Tiama GN Bank or Tiamano and Sawashin the Chumadia say a dear or name Timon Funky Tamudino, a Becona protein, standing a Yashu and Mentin, Bibia, and Legisum, and no nature say a bombardier say a Befia Amamana Tumpon, and found this a bit Amonuku, Timon Ford Dona to the swap, send a bay a bit to me, a con and say, Yetasa a year, Medi, Sir, a good him and support you, a bit my name or Abefo, and my true friends WhatsApp. So, there's no a Bibia or Google, I will have a bar a piano. You share in the senior, and as I'm in senior, Ubo Dina, no Ubitimania, and Capadona, and yet dear Julia answer. And free access donor. Son and Patchen James and Chechemo, the camera Ade Akye.
Doctor, I mean, Miss Awi, you revoke ye, Namichi was here now a buying so the GN banker, yes, so they the GN savings and loans, Eka. And now you're restoring a license or back. Now, if you want to be pretty as GN savings and loans, a canna now binding no. Obetia ya mano anasa abano ya clean of amana university adane bad debt ana
there was some dibisa a be free and share GN Bank we are not any amano a fast private part and so share ntiasia omobenya no na ebe nyina so na say yes any bibia de be won kata so say answer GN Bank eden ni nyuma that e begu ho no na oman no odesika afam oman no oman ntia neka and my dick a church message studio. Ushima Otumos a GN Bank at Discard Dono about my Busian Bra na and this Sabana net so answer NPP by Airbus of Impimian and do so. And she said, and this by no Shankratum no or Duma dances no crack, young person, ye Kaise, ye Jessica do see a war, saying cat and a war no, Sabia Mamono, and ye Amonokobi Epe, and then Montion to Dona, Natures Amonoko win and D, and she said, over to 2 years, I went to a woman to Jumanimo and call him. Say, yes, such a Timon for such a room, a far Amomu, na Nkata so no, Amonoko a bit. Dia nemono entia uka yetmitwa uka maniyi so man sika sem ebia ensi enyina na nanso a omano etimi ene sikakwabia ura no aye GN Bank etimi nya nkitahodie ntia se ye dwuma no senya omobe sumu afano no na ebe da edi bankata so enti GN Bank beto ma se GN Bank be ka se sika dodo no no en shingu onyane abodin kata mentu mejuma anatu se sika na betina ye twitri abebo amanu dwumadi akoso sanse wa bo man ne da no se bi oman bia no oman bia no abaya betu ni chaba ba tai timemu phobia ni phobia ya nema enti badayeni ayemhihie ene intiasie ene adwenko a one omana obekono ene ekyesenia obi abontensini entimonka afenso mo asetan beye ka behwe afenso mo asetan bekono senia munya mo ohwena enti enono eye se entoja na kyerese yadia ebefu hihye a akonso wo GN Bank eni omano efasta kwabia bata nentem eno ne ne ebekire enso bibiande de befese omano de GN Bank ka.
Okay. Ati mama misa questions me no na yensi form. Ene a ya restore ne license they are man no. Treasury Bank of Ghana they aba betu say was a banks ahodo ne savings and loans ahodo emiti and san of what me operational no. Yebesa this asu studio no dey ma GN Bank and san what me share the operations ase ana. Dey to so me no. The economy ya dru near what IMF a. If Sabaya say or restore the license no ne a car ye no can I pay GN no to me say the juma di enso ase.
You were them say some no niya person maybe bia ameba ko ba na make answer answer kasebo ebe to that say GN Bank ebe to ne juma di ase no na nhihye eni kitamodi akoso ewo omano efasta kwabia bata na tuene so any scaprabia na GN Bank akoso do that enti understand bibi betu da na ebetumi ntiasie anasa dinkom a me afamye no akọ asa to da se ebetu da se GN Bank we you tuma as GN Bank na nye GN Savings and Loans Bank asa sa kase bombe to da na se GN Bank sika sanchihye eche so be scaprabia the city me sibini bodino sidino na be atiefo government as we get to Ghana Commercial Bank and that's a society na nene kika hona society na social security bank no na say o get no edu en Ghana scan of the pimbe 400 million.
Yes.
And he say no could just say GN Bank afane mo pa afra estimate government na say nhihye no edika na apam and take up do no was answer no so na sansi kana so enye say obenya ni answer wotumi ahye odwumadu ate yesika kwabia po na no nhihye ma ho kan say kunya emo hantie mo dia beto hantie mo do so na wo dia information du me dia ase na o du adwuma na hanche mo aduasa na aka no wotumi anya na ko adwuma die no aye krabefe anafe ayese na obi ahwe no afen so se wo dutu no atumi du opipim ahaman no ebishate hallelujah enti no be free sanche na tosu mienu ansabe nkasebo beto gase GN Bank ye adwuma se savings and loans no na chense GN Bank ene sekwayo back na nyam kitawudi akari GN Bank na sika sama hoden ahwe ama GN Bank wura no ehun se empempin bi ohya se wo na ebeboa ma ne dwumedi na tumi akonkan savings and loans eno no kapudo na odana enne so science be opipim ahanye duomu about 120 million Ghana cedis and I was now some pension enti say no ebetu can say GN Bank say GN Bank savings and loans company and net ni the tutu no to one enemy na say GN Bank and net say the tutu no I would say sibitime for the promotion who say na ho do di utime no petun ehana no ene so no efika ya enti se ti ehun kasebo a sene o se yenya ehun ti ase no emenim se ncheche no nchechemu no to aso mu a yes afene tosumye no so kan IMF no free afin people no do sia emu bina kasa na enya se pani lemom enya de se tabu bosto be sa IMF some of the people benya USA fananya Kwame Agyarko tosu kesi tosu mienu no any IMF no they see me no kasa no Ghana IMF Ghana ko sika samwa ho teach ma wa fi mienu edonu mienu no emu 2022 na sisi ameno kasa mfie miensan hyehyɛ no abanko fo bɔ ya hwɛ di aba na ewie enye so di ba na ewie odi aba na ewie ye hwɛ sɛ sɛ bebusun ba ku mienu ntam no edwumedi no ebekɔ ewie na adwenkyerɛ mu bi no kyerɛ ayɛ sisu gyina abiem ne sɛ ye kan entry IMF no na IMF no so IMF biblia enye adepa nyedi kamin cheche wasimbisa na afi meman cheche mbintu aso na yenya ehonti ase yiba yewo IMF sisi enhihye ne se yenni IMF na ehye yen se yenye yentu na monsi memom yenhihye sisi ne se yenni IMF wa yankofa sibi wa se eja Ghana ese oba enti eja no ntina nchen no mfa na ni hwe sene oba no tutu na namu asifa sene ne twedi esi ko se bibi eti ho techima no ntwe ne ba no aso anaso nyina aso nyina sutwe sene be obutumi aide atenetene no eno ne hwehwe ewo Ghana ne in terms say enti ye ni fase IMF na eche oman no nia onya enti ye hwe ye sika sem hwehwe ne be mo man na konkan na umma GN Bank ejina ne nanso a ensunsun so we ba ensafi besin fi dumuni no ye mobinu buye ketem ko infimfin mantema Central Region na okwa nkura hodo a ho GN Bank ahyenso de sese kwano aye GN signpost no GN Bank na edoso na nkwanhye pa enti ayade a beboa ma timumfo hodo no omo sika san hyehyɛ na afenso omo sika kura bia hodo nkita obie no ebetumi apega ne mu enti yeni amafa oman no ewon hyebi sese ne ayadwenkyerɛ ehun kita obie na Ghana ni amafo afemi church Ghana ni amafa hyehyɛ ne mo kakrama etiefo ntiasem mene wo chassis. See, no, wo any for me, need you more younger in Fatun. Say, Obi, Ewa, one young she bears a Brucia and Cornichi. Na nipa na wanya mfie dusia ne nko ene ekino ono nse ne papa anase neja anane nina ena de bia otumi mana dwinkyere mana tetem eye ka behwa wo a oti nchen a wo hwe no sei na obekare sa nipa na afa.
Okay.
One would make it no. We say, who be a wadi if you do same over 69 years. As I panel, the payment nature, and I say, Nina, and nature, and a passory jury. Sorry, and a pabes no nunifa jury. They shall tadi MP. Koha anyway yankiton di omano amodos ndodo biane ama omano dos ndodo teso umamu nso numa eye mamo ntin samani fufuri na omuntumi nunu so wo mra a onem se omano enyira ho ande nyape enti wo yam no o se wo yenhihye ebema omano omasitembe isinyantiase ene asumdwe baba na wo agya no nhihye na nyaade aboa enso waye di eno no ocheo wo sa nipa na obebu ni sen na adwinde no nya afa na ho eno nyina strength a ye ka am dodo na enya adepa emo oman no wo hwe every obenem butum da tosu ensia da ye wukwada wa afia pim ahanko ebunum enson ni mu me kan se bia kan kasa ne ma kan ye toto kasa no so kakra betim enne fie eye da tosu ebunum yenu ewo kopanima busum ni mu ewo afin pim yenu ene ebunum ensia ni mu a me chese Ghana found in yanya finchia edusia enkon busum yenu ene ennadusia.
Okay.
Ghana from Wednesday 6 March 1957 to today Friday 22nd May 2026 is 69 years 2 months and 16 days old. And he said, "Oh, your mind, when you feel in finchia edusia enkon busum yenu ene ennadusia ena bepimene wonni timemu form nim de akonkan betumi ahwe se musika san hihye betumi agina ne na so na de bia no gi IMF World Bank wo nyowo abonti no obehu sen ikwa jimbe no benya afa ho yewo kasafidin sinti me pese me kasa obebu sen me dane me teche makakra so wentina ye ka IMF dodo na enya adepa emoma no was say yetumi tu anamu a chese ifie dodo na betwom kono yetumi adane nyama ya anamuntu a ye kono amanoni ye nitimemufo nkitawdi amanoni fo nkitawdi no amayanya esunhu bi a ano no boa ama yetumi ekika yetibuma adwin a yenya no yetumi ndi sakira nyamani sene be oman no ebefa ne ntuma pa efra etiefo etiemi ehwe medumodie esantie me nkomodie no ebedun adanse sa fimpimenu ene odunu baako ana fimpimenu odunu yenu njom no enya ade a mefu aso se na oman no enko IMF say nyina so ntia na mikanye oman na anya ha e wan sika sam hihye mu na mum yetumi tinase ebu nkunta ebetumi afimu afi enya se ji sebi abontinsuni ena betumi abedane niama amaye.
Doctor onko fufuro ya wo peja hidie me wo questions bebre na kama ya ze me memre no na kwa na ekọ because I
any sample member na yen chiche ni chewa ni se enya ade aye timomfo ta bubo IMF so hwe se se bi no ni ye no ni yɛgyifoɔ no a ɛnyɛ ne kwan so a yɛwɔ kwanya sonko a bɛtumi asɔ yɛ haw no ano wɔ man mu wohwɛ nhyehyɛ akɔ so afe atwa mu no yɛafe yi mu yɛanyɛ ɔhaw kakra nanso anamontuo no ama yɛso ano sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ a yɛsikafo no anyinsɛm saa na mepa akyerɛ no yɛdu mpɔmpɔnsuo bi a yɛbɛtumi asosɔ yɛ haw ano mene wo kasa wohwɛ ɔman no Ghana man sika dodoɔ busua yɛ ka odi na odi tutu ne dwadi sika ho ɛyɛ ɔhankyɛ mu bɛyɛ sɛ aduonum ɛna akyirepɔ aduonan wɔtwe debt to GDP ratio now is about 45.3%. Ɔhankyɛ mu aduonan enum ɛna akyirepɔ mmiɛnsa 45.3% debt to GDP ratio. America deɛ ɛnam ɔhankyɛ mu ɔha any song any chile. There's over 107% debt to GDP ratio for United States. And then so Obian can say Amamu Akosua America Nomono and Yanaka. So and I would say to Trinity say Buama Yanya Montias. Bushing plan of Manoboa and Yadia a Bushing be a one name for sure. Then we made the try and share every my friend to my friend. Don't you? When Penduko I have bought I am a BFSG as a noni a Jim Quano. I'll say, yes, son is on a sugar cry, Danny a teacher.
Doctor, my men Nasia no pay me, my who say, I don't pay Sanke or Mranka, the Chrenia, the Swambri, and I you only may sell as a man better no for Quenya so no drew a sentiment with the nature or tico consul. Any cononguma and say cononguma de Medasuka, a honey maybe a midi can be year of my to watch a juma the kind. The first national service appear to my uncle do and so no. Maybe a season, a honey baby, a midi can buy and tea as a chacham, a tearful Michiamo. A tico also so medium man of penchas and go a common any material for any. Dr. Amidasivi, thank you very much. Your financial consultant, Dr. Ashley Ebenezer. Ena yeneno ekodi nkomo no ye di realm wo GN Bank ye revoke your license na fi ya san restore say di omba tumi aba be ye GN savings and loans ahon nkomo ne di ya ekopie mu IMF ne ye economy no ti ye be pebre ne eda na fi ye ne Dr. Realm ankasa ne age nkyerɛkyerɛ ne edisuane ya the state of Ghana's economy die ne die ena ehia minua nkwantabisa di atrase Mamenkono Honafi, engineer Kakra Kwame Mache.
Yeah,
opinion of to say
Yamiadum Boko.
Yeah, that Chili and Ponya Copona.
If you Boko,
yeah, then Yamia, sunglass no.
Medasi.
Opinion
Kwame, emergency memoriam, I think, Doctor, I make very good use of the time. And when it comes to finance, when you have a lot of time to elaborate, it becomes difficult for people to understand. But unfortunately, I don't have much time located for me to do justice to this because this is matters of finance and it's a subject of interest to me. Now, with the few minutes I have, well, we'll manage. Maybe we can continue on Monday. GN Bank, Kwame, as you rightly said, there's no more GN Bank. It's savings and loans. I am for confuse themselves with savings and loans, microfinance, credit union, and the bank itself. In 2006, Omo as a bank, Omo buying, GM Bank started with loans, savings and loans. They never started as a bank. Kwame, share the history of GN Bank. From First National Savings and Loans.
Yes.
First National Savings and Loans. Enti omu bebo mwa ye juma, and then about 8 years time, omuni the central bank din komoni show mu omu den ye di be fro bi say universal bank. Omu miti criteria no. Enti ye omu ba what we call a universal bank. Ye be fro mu GN Bank. Because of time ninti ya fa me projections in 2010. Then, when they came as a universal bank, Oman ho den yedema every central bank though 2024 there have been reviews of a year sika wo so nya ansa kra no be savings and loans and you can say credit union microfinance is now around 2024 review by say uwo mu dada unya 50 million Ghana cedis to remain oba mu foforo as a first timer afi na aba beti bank na you need somewhere around 100 million asan wetima. So the difference are two. The entire main set we no question bi obusa doctor say and say no omo ba back no omusika ye behwe say omo de beba will it be on bank or savings and loans etina mpesi hu say o enter fofra usika de be room omu dada usika de be room. Now it will also depend on the central bank and the best set say there's a continuation or this is a threshold savings and loans eba and on the be required for sika ubehia san na de room. Na ade ba kwa me pese ye hye so say GN bank for no ye kan obisi na Ghana bank diomuka ana we diomuka. Kwame, when we declare a bank or savings and loans as insolvent, when you have the balance sheet insolvency, we have the cash flow, that's liquidity insolvency. There are two different things. I was saying. Omega say na o mama ban bosia hwe ye ka no kra che ye ho a ye ka se wa ba be ye insolvent a ye as a bank ye the asset me ka asset a your loans and am person go phone hu loans cash awo investment a wa ye ni nyina aka ho ne be your asset no. And to say the moment we declare you as insolvent, that means say Sanya ma me bo so your asset your loans your investment your cash physical cash wo at the bank no ye kadi nyina bom ebe ye below that of the depositors customers no msika mu dia beto a and ye declare say insolvent. That means sika wagege ato nkofo sika nkitenkete wagege ato ho a e say ene yomba so mba be jom sika ye de ombetua no sika ne wo form echensa, so you are insolvent. And the moment we central bank say GN service and loans insolvent no na eka ho ni loans or dia ma ban ni sika or investment or dia or ya ka ni nyina bom no still a new customers deposit. That is why we declare it as insolvent. And tinya say dia aban de ne ka ana emba ni sika ni ntimi mu ano because ye kasa okay omudu ni nyina usika wo ho o asset. That is what we call the asset, your investment, because can ho a bank bia no this ka to or invest so benya returns also. So your investment is an asset. The loans you have given to people and also eka ho, especially when the loan has not been declared as a bad debt. That means say sika na adru ba bia watwe nipa no muntimi ntua or now declared as a bad debt. But the Central Bank of Ghana, GOG, it can never be a bad debt. And before the Central Bank will declare you as insolvency, no, on the side, many and you be say, Sika was ya deoka, Sika wa invest, cash won, ye can in a boom class. Still, deposit Sika, Udiatuonu, Untimin Chomuka, and you are insolvent. Then a money basa. Send GN Bank and GN Service and Loans. Now our other sister companies. The sister companies, you know, or this can be coming my womu. Yes. Gold Coast Security and other ones, or this can be coming my womu the year Juma. A horn and less can intimate free ma. And it is never the loan. I disagree. Because if the central bank go by the principles of banking, now you declare was insolvency. So how loan now so be the okado? Nina ya de ka ho you say this is your asset. And your asset is still below the depositors' money or mudia bro. So you are insolvent. What you were from? Sure. And you were from that argument say and I buy the oka and ya this guy. Unanimous decision the appeal court demand. It could be on say because what they said back here say Oma overturning the revocation of their licenses, which was done in 2019, may brush it through because of time. Now they should restore their assets. assets no now you tell me revoke your license no insolvency you declare sapa also pay the banking system no you pay obia you de o asset and our company anymore. And in Ghana 2 companies na yes ade pa including the big KPMG ehona ni dodomo sanko from you and with GM Bank any CBG Bank of Ghana clean up exercise no all those companies na CBG under CBG no ye declare insolvent na ye gichi nyina KPMG guy no nipa sikan nipa aswan ana one gentleman as it dodo so omumienu ana Kwame ye dey asset ni nyina mom and what the court is stating say enyoma ye dey ma omu ye dey show omu nsa ni nyina they should also return it back to the central bank, and that is fair. And the third one is say the omu asset ni nyina with immediate effect high court I say empremprem na yemfa mom. I'm also asking myself what happens to the loans that Mose are buying Ediomuka. Loans no is it due because Kwame want no more beer and she share home and she share one it's a time name so yeah. How can the GOG pay you when time there that's on so yeah? So I don't see the sense in some common I see said the appeal court so say one of the banks a lot of people employment was GN savings and loans. Edru baby no ekura bia se awunhu bank no you see GN savings and loans eno hwe asset omu acquire ewo ha stretch over Ghana no. These are bia perimeters. We are yet to read the total of the rulings no, but you can see, you can predict that some of these things are omu ehwe ya court no ediwo mobo, but they should never talk about the GOG loan bosia omu di omu, because that is not the reason why omu declare omu as insolvency.
Yes.
It is not true.
Yes.
It is palpable falsehood, and I don't know why people are justifying
because
this.
That time no more capital adequacy fell to negative 61%.
The reason why, exactly the reason why I catch you say it is below the customer deposit, and say your net that you have no plan negated, negative.
See, our net worth in that time 30.70. Not say and Drew baby.
That net no can. It is addition of your asset that you have, your investment that you've made, and then the loans that you've given to people. Still, your kamboma na negated. So what are they talking about? And because the central bank was even charitable, because other man focus among other banks, foreigners ye show mu, but ye fair new show mu. GM Bank or bank universal bank no. Sata ne also mu close no. The central bank now so close GM Bank, but they were charitable. Omu so ke omu capital no eso atide, but then e be ya fa ho quickly mo apply for savings and loans. Until the demand that you require for universal bank no o miti until ya te so edwa savings and loans. That time no kwa no so mu close no, but they were charitable. And what they did, they say, Yamua reapply for savings and loans. And Kwame, lo and behold, oba savings and loans. Still, why to me? So the operation of GN savings and loans, there was something wrong. And if they are coming back, I also make sure more operational structure. Because to me, it is a no. We don't want to talk truth to ourselves. And I have certain things, Kwame, in my presentation, you will see. And your man GM Bank, a mom call insolvency, no. Sure. And you know, say, it was a poor banking practices in a normal year.
Because my sister, group companies, normal such kind of bubble.
Even at a place, I can say bank be crab over savings and loans, no.
Yes.
I also quoted a sister bank be and son will check out what they call all clear. Won't mean clear as savings and loans. So you have a universal banker, ocean a chia, and no bit me be clear or checks. And all these things, the central bank was charitable to you.
I see.
And to move banon peso mujreya. Kwame mu banon peso mujreya. No kwase me wom say, operations they have to also musahwe. Because a koba say time I say even GM Bank net men now so ya dia savings and loans no. In the banking world, amafo shall say spreading rumor. And one of the things they buy and so a panic withdrawal.
Yes.
A lot of people who say the SCC dani binti. Yanyan temko yi sika. And to ko banks and kitten na go for you musica. And Kwame, if you are not careful, or what can sound no more if you are not careful. Omo kwa jiji loans na, omo kwa jiji sikana, omo fama.
Sure.
Because obia who say company ni ba begu. And there's a mad rush bia, obia person or they enriching home. And they drew baby, if they could sit down and look at and your man me were chile, but I can see say it's part of those things and kwadano mobile bankers no mko jiskano that be bring fama loans no obu oye tuamo no mu fama. And he says the Pakwas indum nyame ya dom group indum mobile back. They have to be careful because one ya things will happen again.
Things will happen again. Kwame Medasipi, thank you very much. GN Bank, home komo, and DCC, no, my emphasis, I'm a Roman Father Drew, no, Father Martin's herbal mixture, and Ade Akye or something cancer said numbness and a house, stroke, body pains, and a weakness, pressure, diabetes, and so energy to work chronic diseases, beer, or something cancer said, let's give God chance. Now Roman Father Bruno the best for all your sickness. I did to Americana copy before mo. I was 0247919122 and 0552668517. RSY no VG Studios and airflow we say main country so we are filmmaker, photographer and a creative director. We here a professional film studio for a podcast and I said was set up for special effect and the to America na bra na fe so yemwa na onsanka ni nyina bra Accra Malam Abiase first off first Kokroko Street na fe so onsa itumi aka RSY no VG Studios empenyi for na nyomadi nkomo na niema kokoye ade ama from 057 5778 and I say 0303974822 now the one RSY no VG Studios more needing komo yentu tumrikana fi yenkonko piemo tago herbal mixture and then the capsules were more as well tago herbal mixture and capsules and say main control set wadi and wada on sorry bium abubada wada sorry chese on kan ho bium tago na o hia tago heba mixture and the capsules abema na page no agina brand bema dey also agina brand na wo yejuma so what you say low libido na wo anasa infections ahodo na hawa tago heba mixture and capsules frame 24 was 0243228296 0243228296 drugstore and pharmacy shops biano on sabeka bi honum OCP Ghana Limited we kwiani utie me mesra tutumirika kwiani di obenya ska gisa o no ba ye na so doso gisa so doso di OCP ena ubehia na fi wo no ba ye na atumi asoso doso honum your OCP 15 and I say OCP 10 tutumirika na fi so wo serious ne wo vegetables no atumi aso doso honum Ghana fa na ba bia won sabeka OCP fertilizer ibi na akuafo modidi nne na fertilizer papa nso no what to media go monoba no so na so doso to the first clinic expert when it comes to sciatica yari ni nyina no at the first clinic oba ya do be laboratory ya be scan o na fi ya hwese de sitia ye wie na say ya massager ya be massage o ne di wafa machine treatment nso emu enti mesro o to ase on sana ontumi mpega nante na ontumi nante because say sciatica how no 21st clinic asoe your 15 branches in Ghana Kumasi area overseas junction near Alpha Radio or Boise Council Court Escort Junction Dome Tantra Hill Yebutu Honum Sunyane opposite teaching hospital honum and here one kranza your hot teaching my ho friend penny for now you morning come on a brave beer was 0249 311 311 0249 311 311 and a 0540 311 311 Ken Abu Bada Ade Akye or your communications director hopeful for Kwadaso constituency and Eddie or CTM so you man between me pa now we open here we didn't know and nam a DKM so actually say Juma no mo be because over there omoka so be Juma they commit everything to it what they atnase wo sound so na Yahaya and so ababi di atnase ono so Yaya Sedu deputy
Ashanti
regional organizer hopeful deputy Ashanti regional organizer hopeful and they are all looking smart this morning. African printing fatal mo okay, I'm not surprised they are politicians. I'm that much here. You are fine.
Ebenezer, the NDC for the Ebeduni.
You are smart this morning.
Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Also, you are smart.
I love everything about it.
Oh, Miss send you what you are. I mean, you are there. Oh, so the others are when you bring them any bro.
If you walk on here.
Oh, Namada.
You're fine.
Oh, you go to a crack now. Yes, I say. Oh, no, you are friend. Oh, so if you had a hand to be out, yes, I had to be out.
I am a chair.
Senior Jackon.
You are fine.
Another Roma, yet to me a tutu tata, I be dreedy. I said, I need can be a bit me the ama or body. Be a fine minute.
And I say, I love your print. Fashion designer, and you be remember why.
Matthias is in
Papa.
Matthias is in
Wow.
Oh,
power back.
As a mini, reset the agenda. What the sunshine now? We Nigeria for sunshine. We but here, Mama Paris. Reset the agenda.
What just reset the agenda? No. Oh, what to come. Oh, you find the Papa so that
no. Play this cheap out of also reset the agenda. I can't
I don't want that to so.
One in town. About me who be there? What be there?
No, no position now. Deputy organizer.
Deputy organizer.
Now it's him good one. And not by soon was our power. Now that was a total so.
Yes, we are a TV.
Should I tell you?
Senior Jago.
I see. Yes, sir.
Yeah, by the I was a chair at here for a son said they be a mecase. Omo enama Jumadine evi pay. Fide eso we share baby a coverage ekokoka. Na ye bana ati for de bia wo mama Jumadine esipi na esita ya nchia wo ma na eti said ye de bia meka no ya draw Africa map ni amfa Madagascar anye den anshenche no enye Africa map wa draw map na ngasa but Madagascar na we island shenche honum no so wa fa ma echese one draw Africa yes inti ye de Madagascar na show inti echia atiefo anopai kese wo omo brother bia omoji na umutiu na omushow anopai na machiame ebu Ashanti regional minister Dr. Frank Amakohene mini apani obadwuma inti e wose bona baso esanse baso bono beboa ama omotimi aye adwuma ne se de se na efata na asanteman atimi afa ne ntoma pa efra na machia KM boss Kinzuba me boss no so mechia no machia all regional executives said the okanye no me co-deputy Ashanti regional organizer na ma pass it through the mill from the branch level up towards the regional level as at now me vice chairman youth working committee. You know, adwuma over the years constituency must serve as what 3 times as constituency executive member at various position. I gather experience over the years. Expect to say, I for or more. Yes, I will move Kumuti who emopono. Say a Benoswan. Me ma sha say ebo apro no kakra say ombe madam na omo abo munia na yeso bebo adwuma ama 2028 elections na yatimi sadi mini anmoti the akafo me ba because 30
omo trust Sompa say
of course
for I do omo ba ha bia capable leaders
of course
we no don't worry
na masre MPP for delegates say mini apa no share several platforms ye share pa say a fine gentle guy. Me feel say Edgeman way proactive. Obetimi aye Edgeman pa amna yenti. We are hoping say almost be man bandit. When you mischievous purposes be. We minia or Edgeman so bit.
Yeah, chassis any emfa gian and chassis any no be for 4 minutes be a gian. Ansani aba. Yeah, 7 no dey meaning say political angasa de mamu mi no enti mu betu to. So let me start with you. GN Bank they are restoring the license. They say on be GN Bank them or be GN savings and loans.
Okay.
Mo bota ye munyina so am they are restore money dey. Are they solvent now to operate?
I'm sure say any restore but the courts, the appellate courts now are restore but we are happy.
But
NDC
promise,
yes, we made. Yes, I want to make a ban. Yes, it's legitimate. Legitimate. But I said the will be a one year. You because say be Muhammad Adin President Muhammad Adin Victor Power be an Bank of Ghana. And I said yes, we promise that. Yes. Yes. Oh yes, we are happy. Until America say we are happy as what as a government and as a party. Yes, it's legitimate. Say GN Bank, Papa Kwesi Indio, ne bank na ye say over the years, what Timmy are contributed to the national development and to national development. Na MPP4 Azumu power in what in 2016. Na based on policy, say there are certain banks and what savings and loan institutions be no feel say insolvent. Omo antimi enrich the minimum capital requirement of what 400 Ghana cedis 400 million yes Ghana cedis and therefore no they needed to be what they also collapse they also mutimi merge no dey form the consolidated bank so me dey but who share GM bank dey no now they have what a valid point to us as a political party because no more point in say enrich the capital we say requirement of 400 million Ghana cedis because contractors ababejije hobosun bebre say omode kwakoye abanyadwuma for which our executive project no expect say enka aban betua wo muka na wo nso in turn na atimi ayedey ababetua yesika amay dey aye solvent na ayetimi ayedey amiti the capital requirement. Naso contractors emphasika ma ubo wo mu a their reason is say aban ye dey entry a wo muka so they were begging the bank no was what begging or pleading with aban say aban en consider na say obetimi atua eye contractors no kwa eka na wo mu so atimi atua wo muka no ma ye solvent and na matia reche we say no minimum requirement na wo mu atimi aye omo bono back and forth can offer the then finance minister say no matter what no or more reasons na enye tenable and therefore no they needed to what go and ampara
you say to me kano a authoritative say can offer because or they call court they call appeals court and a court no say penny ampa nyina so a Bank of Ghana gina so they revoke here because no one should meet omoki count more asset in as if you yes, would you mention
yes, I mentioned his name because in Ghana in himself political decision most of the times it goes to what the head of what of the institution. Yes, the Jawan here the other
pays for
I know they were member no problem cry no problem cry. Yes, the Jawan here the Aswa definitely Ken Oforiatta was the then finance minister and as our decisions we here the course until and then we are happy said the Wedika Kanama can say yes I restore lances na ninyina yenko yes the Funujiane me ye bisa who say what is a dead cry na GN Bank babeye a be a Ghana for a section of Ghanaians and Yaje, with the exception of a Minuanmi and we are or Mode Omenya and Kaman. And then I'm a Ghana for any Yaje. The Ama Ghana for any Yaje and say, Usha GN banker all over the country. A drew baby no more the corner crowd say I now be corner single room EB and or the IE bank, and therefore he doesn't qualify to even operate as what a bank. And no name man or moka, but we believe say and now ye can say one of what the social kankana problems are as of my fesipa day a juma sem a mabunu soon a pejumaye or munya a jumanye until share papa kwasi injum with these small banks and all operating all over districts no near towns no say nipa best a 5 crown and nationwide none branches no air the employ atria or muka it helped until say yatimia resort lands are one eye denya ba beboa ama Ghana for enya adwuma ye Ghana mabuna enya adwuma ye because Ghana for ne be ye adwuma wum. 2 ba beboa na SMEs small and medium scale what enterprises said they need say oboa bomu bodua for sole proprietorship businesses na oboa wo mo say de be ya wo mo so betimi aye wo mu nyuma anase nya startup capital bi aye wo mu enyuma sa bre ya wo sa ba me very sure say obetimi asa ababeboa SMEs ama omunyuma nso atimi ayede akonka because we have always said say o mine betimi a thrive and asa develop akodanim na enipa anya adwuma ya. It depends on the private sector. The private sector can only thrive when they are able to also get a loans, soft loans on betimi the ayede abi omunyuma. So I am hopeful say bank no betimi aba back said the appellate court na kanu na wo matimi ambe operate na aside say adwuma ebefa no Ghana for atimi anya soft loans bia wo betimi de aboa na omudwumadi ayede akonka. So I think say by and large it is a step in the right direction for which we need to applaud what the appellate court for doing that. Now finally no minim say minu eka obe propaganda finally yes me see from no wo mu ye we nyina no. The irony of it say they didn't thought say at the end of the cap of mine. Now banks are at that time about 500 plus banks and what microfinance institutions 500 plus aside the unemployment equity here. Now you hear 9 billion at the resource 30 one say they be for 9 billion in resource 30 but rather no you the 25 billion and be collapse collapse with the reason say we want to save the depositors. As at now as we are speaking, depositors now also be save women. A section of them have not even gotten their money from the government.
Abubada I say I'm a kwema wabona num we two tantrums in the air na baby na fascinating me pie say or they he tried to draw kind of right into his conversation or submission what he made, but the person me know say GN banks and semi say over the weekends banks and some depositors can be as I say sparky fire say JDM a promise say or more musica are locking up in the banks in within a space of a year about between this day but say to cover his incompetence and whatever if you want no be say any be send be ya ebitimi draw Ghana for attention as a calculated attempt to sway the attention of Ghanaians. But you say GN banks and semi was it was incorporated in 2006 as first national savings and loans with him bank nankasa anya bank you savings and loans na di kan buy and we incorporate here 2014 and the JDM elevating status at the bar event saying almost say universal bank that's 2014 I don't know much as say contractors no loans no one year then it am na ye we need for 2016 you will say some banks need be they don't meet the banking criteria that's a requirement so we say it say banking cleanup exercise you will say GN bank yangas and already na Bank of Ghana can was them say and I say Central Bank can was them say we first insolvent and that's insolvency that means depositors no mudo musika kugono the bank and I said the savings and loans and another bank was finding difficult to pay them. You see ana omunyas when you some these Ghana contractors it's a maybe the musika kotoa that means may find difficult some day e become musika. Imagine this over 4.6 million people They say you buy to make sure you merge some banks in the day or can want them. But I say NDC for no, they are always in the hurry to do certain things. So I want someone who said 2028 I don't lose. It I no more that no I'm going and more than they are repeating it. But I better catch on when they say so because the peace God say whatever it is or more restore. But you are waiting for Bank of Ghana's what almost concerned almost where the paper because 31st December 2018 yes. Bank of Ghana more requirement of the buy no let's just say GN Bank no meet that criteria na say a great trade no the buy no because because I was say oh here 400 million Ghana cedis by a question am ka face me say dem go do 30 million 30 million on team and also justification also buy and say on the scam contractors Bank of Ghana so share scanner omudu go figure go to now 7.1 yes 7.1 no or the 30 million no and this kind of Bank of Ghana there no it mean you na obo na nim no to yambia and they said there I didn't person who just go and obi am plan say be so gu e be say GN Bank. But the issue here is that at the end of the day, and a few people, about 3 or 4 people, no over 4.6 million people, go. Because at the point in time, we tried to save those people. So in case we say be anyone shut down for Nigerian Masodia, and I said, so play propaganda out of it, or no, yeah, we say, and that's Sana case today. It's here because GN Bank, say, purpose in the Nine, I don't say. 2014 na JDM elevate omu status no satam no JDM do no dia jikodi dia oya dia o yenji nkodi no oya dia in the end no na za ko say emfire ho ojiria ne kodi na JDM na JDM beti me say what JDM cannot do does not exist. He is capable of doing anything. The Americans what I say. Oh dear, the American jigodi no, Yannis can go no. Yanindi, obey JBCC simple. The Americans what I say. The person can say. The meaning at high okay na. Obianka say SMEs no. Se bank no want to say this here intimate dey enkushi wo intimi wo mo ebitimi abo mo but the question you busa say is the bank capable of paying its debt creditors another beer depositors and one 7 head ye can see here he say no say court say one restore it here trying to say ye try Bank of Ghana who say expake debate JDM gas omunya abotre that was somewhere in April 2025 eba na get train na basa na head asa babium now the Bank of Ghana nko na what the ultimate goal of me head ayivoku and renew and I restore them can so say it is a Bank of Ghana option requirement the minimum requirement no the ban is option say indium group indium omo qualify some bear bank is a come some ba savings and loans back
yeah say omo ti omo status at the bar GN Bank no tama buying a Bank of Ghana revoke your license no and omo co pray for
that's reclassification.
Yes. No, I'm going to pray for savings and loans. And also, now still, I want to be a meeting. Yeah, they didn't so they revoke your life.
And you know, why are you?
They are coming back to operate as a savings.
Why is my brother accusing Kenofrata, dragging his name into this debate? Just you. One person who operates as a Sompa. Muslim scouring here to establish Sompa. In the end, the use is no home. There's a company now collapse here. Who are you blaming? You are blaming who? The incumbent government or rather the current government.
I say my yamra na fi yamra mewe and mo musibu competition chief justice na only a just a judge court 9 ward enter adedi
minya bedase na ewiase hon yesi yankan ni wachi a uzi agro yede MPP we never thought say oye ni ebe dey ebetimi atoye na atoye ere na de bi egina simpie so e advice ye nnuano mo maka say enemu na mu wotumi ndie de mamo but you are trying to criminalize free speech here in the country and the constitution we read article 14 ebeka free speech in once much article 21 ebeka free speech in once but here is the case e can me say Yenum NDC. Imagine you say omo infiltrate the court with judges, lawyers. Mwanga say nimtino. At the point in time, we should use them to. They are collaborating with the state agencies and the court to intimidate the MPP as the opposition to suppress us. But the best I can hear. Adentina Ade Akye Abia own a case FR. The same person is presiding over the case. How can that be possible? Till one a case in the file home. And you are presiding over the case. Why should a case in the say? Why should a case in the say? And then the year who go my a dear pan ye who go my. As some ben a brother go can ya and intino. Yet Renia Basa, as if say, on Canipahubi, on a gun and nibi. And yes, I'm not carrying. There's a bone that can no. Yet Tibi Peru Crum How, or Mampani JDM. Nankasa Crown and some catch a gun of when Yamaya where say, I could fodder and then Yamunia, Tim Sakawa, Mafias, whatever it is. Or Kafan Woody. When was making his speech, he said it about economy stupid here in the country. Obiantimi ankana obiantimi amwa obiantimi ankahwe but today ubiwa no now kasa amufie cause something political persecution then they pounce on you and ya abonye obi for nsako ya TikTok
but is it not also too much your choice of words inviting some of these troubles for us because as much as here kasa tia say the arrest here and there and yet now say have free speech, let's look at the choice of words of these individuals. This is a TikTok I am not yet children. No say young president Mahama man, young Kudumano.
And no dear because I say we are saying one of the banja Joseph Magota Bordieda. Maybe so.
Oh the banji shall be
the banji shall be banji. You come here. You call something somebody a media personal call you hunto. I go for the brain financial whatever it is. Kumuna do my radio, kumuna do my demonstration. When you bend down looking at a friend's news, don't forget another person will be looking at yours. Today, a son who try to honor and then no. Today you are running away from your own shadows. I didn't see one who talked to horses and one who not to home. You come here where and this is for the banner Dr. Laji Mahmoud Bamekuta Prego and Zamkuta Plato, whatever it is. About names a Tiano. What are you quatino? Maybe so, one year quatino, but today, yeah, you're president Yanamutia say. Opposition, we are not your enemies. We must criticize you constructively for you to do the right thing because if itemize developmental agenda on the table, I say United Day, I can't want them
constructively. No, a keyword no.
Oh, they say constructively. Who feels so bad from my wasi? Who's a near wasi? I can't be as well for see be a wasi because when we know what today, oh, Nazata is a gentleman in my Norway.
And it's what the name Papa over.
Ah, now come my way. Oh, the Tikamaya, and I never tell you. Maybe so. Oh, Sana, oh no, Betty Fiat, oh no, Betty Fiat. And the Tia of the Manono. Oh, Papa, Tia, who did a yabo? Uti, anything. Ah, no, and I don't want to tell you. I'll go for a 2 mono. I'll go for a 2 mono. Because also sometimes we should try to be each other's keeper. You see, and this be the medical cancer, they are doing person who does so. And then any day will focus on be a good be to marry a become of fee. And some air cost will groom her and the end this for year. No, let me tell you something. Kevin tell about Kruma, I didn't Kevin tell Andy. Kevin tell Andy. Yes, also on the state security, on the state housing, uncle them just like that. Now you protecting upon the demeanor towards and peniful more criminal. Any meaning aware, meaning say, Adia, you come to defend, but I'm going to say, until a toe dies, no man can measure it full length. Na mu de mun ko so na mu nye ye de say ye petition Chief Justice Paul Bafoboni say send nipa na ordinary case ni so no yen place no ye problem nya no ye place no because asem ntimi mfa ho na wo say media asem no na everybody ni say
senior Agyarko Kevin Taylor me who say was show ne party ID card NDC party ID card that's why NDC severally on his platform MPP card watch say Obuase branch a honor or a member of the MPP. It is a woman asem ka church Kevin Taylor. According to Kevin Taylor. Mana mo ye. 18 mini amamemra asem so na asem ka na doso. Hwe senior. No crack a woman nyina ne say amanyofo adru ebra. E wo say ye very careful. Me a part of it. E san say you position ye kan semwa as if say I said, you knew what happened when those, and I said that political party now have power. MPP for now you move the planet Pluto so, and now NDC bar power yeah, you know your gravitationalizer big was as well. Now you know to main her and Umubu or main for say 8 years. Meaning for the first time in the history of this country, the major opposition political party chairman of Sompa MPP for trainer that wrestle aboso sakod sa for almost 8 years. 8 solid years.
Oh yeah.
Drew baby. Now we were afraid to say a Juma was Sompa for year as chairman on Timinya because of court and edico. And it was part of the reason why I simply because almost Sompa for court say obey a kidnapping of what easy. Enti oni kwakubu ye what ye deputy national communications officer for almost 8 years na national the biggest opposition party 8 years now the national chairman and the party officials some of the party officials ejina court did we say na mo persecute ye national chairman na ye kan ya was it justified or not na papa ebio winim we say Ernest Thompson asepa wo make allegation say Nanado the state flight ama and as a charter a minor plane ama ne ma akwakoye the alcohol holidays wo wie akire na odem ohiniba bene journalists ekokoka se Nanado ahia judges ne omo ayedai adi nkomo se de be ya cases beko in favor of the government okomu 3 weeks journalists national security outfit kasa ayedada wo no ma wo so ko video keke ye chi no the shockers emiemia sabe nintohwea de no kokotu brono yie. I don't want to chronicle all these things and this about equalization here senior me per one single reason and now law MPP for our due so a chese judge na wo mo ye de wo mo bono so bono aye anything against the laws of the land me per one single word evidence. And I said, law, me pemra bakope. Say what is so muka bi omuka mienti. Say judge Adenta Circuit Court judge yes wo she NDC atade no a ene ye nya no kra no a ye betetene nam ne ahwe no. Me pe one single emra. A wo mo aka e kire say judge no e biased towards what MPP. Hwe there are 2 natural law principles. Emra. You were 2 natural law principles and the foundation of every law. 2 natural law principles. In Latin, if we be there, odi alteram patem rule, or the alteram patem rule, which say, no man shall be what shall be condemned what on head. A chese onipa da sani bia wo bebo no sobuo bia no sa enipa na wo so mana kwanya no otimi yedai eyi na no anaso otimi kirekire ni nsemu ansa na wo begina so bua no fo wagina so bua no fo mi bisa se abronye. Was he giving that word or the alteram patem we say na principle no was he what giving that? Yes. Well, court represented by the lawyers and they argue in the contempt case out and based on that you didn't hear the ekokotum. So it's not as if say abronya ti baby na kangaroo style of what arrest and the kwachi na thrown into what a remand. No, he was what giving the opportunity to come and explain himself in court represented by his lawyer. And we never broke the audio or term pattern rule. The second natural we say justice principle our can once no. Your friend the nemo judes in causa shia. Nemo judes in causa shia. Near a training say no man shall be a judge in his own word case. In other words, law no traces, our principle no traces, a judge be a di asem. Nessa asem na wo die no so wo interest wo ho a e wo so recruiting ho. In this case, the matter is nya asem na dey ye die e contempt case. Enu nti na Supreme Court abra ye di 2012 election petition no. Ye dey for court no. Enye the same judges no na transfer. Until when it comes to contempt cases this natural law principle no doesn't what applies because contempt ya say ye be contempt chiwa said ye bu for already because we had ni anu ye papa bia ye dey wo ho ye say ye unimade no say ye say ade we men ye no aye dey why ye enu ti na 2012
but the case is
not becoming too much the arrest of the opposition party members
the moment Article 21 talks about what freedom of speech. Freedom of speech your limitations. You see, your freedom of stretching your hands should actually end at where one knows what begins. Metia metia tretre me sa to me sa emrama me nka ye exercise ye say but say e kan hwene say pe anane say pe
me de beche
we be we ni mo e kan say pe ma ye dey matomra let us be serious in this country say they make attempt a eba politics minia no join hands with me na ye nyina as politicians say very careful where ya yes ade we amana kwa babate yemfa ya dwen ye de enko so we abra ye che vigilantism ase ma politician ya post kakra bi MC chochopo bi e wodie na wako high match for be 10 wako na ba kudi ni sabonku ba kudi ni fan ba kudi na nim wo ye ya no asum ahwe wo ye ya no atia no apa usum ye say oh he normal politicians they need protection na police for na mo abra wo nya adwuma nye ye ko ba election no ma bro nkrofo no ma prepare nkrofo ene ye ko ya kokodrum pempenso a ye nyina ka se sa machoism we ene sa vigilantism we say ya hwe yie na ya anye emra bi amfa nsia no a edi hwehwe bekuta oman no. And the pain and the sad aspect of it is that na e wo say ade a ye edi ohawa bre ye na wo say ye bre one ye time discussing about the modalities how we betimi the prevent ye discuss we na anso ho a e wo say satam oman ni sika ekoko ye emra ye friend vigilantism what law said the beya ebetimi either prevent sa kanka no na ye dey cripple into our what political or our political space and you say woman sika kokoye he atendidie na ya sha say minia say ya hwe yi a we the market on the wall say ye sha say obi fi say asuko no ma bi asabi wo bekom sabi impreduasa tief ko mosuma no pai wo bekom na ne pant na be say 2 enu 3 o we ni 5 kwan ma share the whole week 1 and do be let us call the spade. We become na small boy be an boxer short back up and we share the whole week. Now what the camera phone because phone is common. No they see now yes. Now what the president atema dinira tema fra. Ya we bedru baby no ye be sorry you may say e bedru baby ne ya beka say many abu beda ne politician beka say e say dey die ho atema dru baby a yes momia kofa o man sika emeye mra ne emfa president
teacher constitution say why are all opinion leaders quiet and allowing the NDC to do whatever they like? If the NDC government is bold enough, they should arrest Kevin Taylor, and the politics of insult will be a thing of the past. Okay, message one team. I remember as you say my regards to Mavis in Cancer Boardu as Santemai Kuka and Mr. Wusu Bempanshire, so NPP chairman hopeful. Oyibo Boatin so Naibehi or say the continuous arrest and detention of NPP members won't prevent us from criticizing the government. The duty of responsible opposition is to put the government on its toes. Okay, you also say greetings to Chamoden Hoko Kuapia, Amua Kweku Michael Ashanti Regional NPP Secretary Hopeful, and Shirley Che Tiwa NP at Tiwama Wabeja South. Or no Senedia, what they are by Enono 1212 Pedro wa Medina Cruz. I say it's loud and clear inside Indianapolis, Kumasi Town, also Keswin Junction, and the main location. Okay, when so the Benjamin Fancy say we are. I say if I am a bronye this year upon all what I have gone through and witness. I will repent and not insult anyone again, but nobody can tell me that he will change. Now he will come and do more than what we've seen. Let's wait and see. Greetings to Achimanwa Bieja South, Honorable Wisdom Ose Boama. Starboy also watching the show live and clear at a half of meme. You see also what the love emoji and at the buy, okay? Ti mamemra mesaba be message no. Ya me take bite on your last topic, which I'll start from Yaya. Yaya no the yenya no 33 na fi. Emfa calls kakra. And the last one has to do with anti-LGBTQI.
Okay.
You were loud in opposition. Very, very loud in opposition. You see, Apakoda, so you know, now can one idea.
Senior Jaco?
Yes, sir.
Anti-LGBTQ plus bill. And they come once because of one man. They refusal to do the needful, and then he refusal to do his constitutional right, and I'm here to do the agree.
Why?
Nanado na ama ene. Asema wose kiyedi ni mfie miensa yedi ni mfie miensa dadada no say ya yesi yedi ni mfie hia miensa no asema wose kiyedi ni mfie hia be say 3 years ago no atwam no and because of one man Nanado reasons best known to him until yeti ya can once
power no the executive secretary haven't written to the parliament clerk say bring the bill back again for the president to sign. There
are technicalities over there. What I know, no say bill no say a corner say president they are sending to it. Sometimes and from the what I'm learning, no, it must go over the process again.
Okay.
A better consideration stage. Now I call first reading, second reading, third reading.
There's a more majority, so there shouldn't be the difficulty.
But since when did we come? Wobinya emfie nwotwe ye wie di command wo se me entrance meti kram fa ma no empo na dani ehunu wasan ye ba ye nya afene fa ye gusu ade na adu parliament wo se I speak aka say by the close of say won be call recess no na o ma ye de o ma pass. So we shouldn't begrudge this president. Say Nanado Saya egane.
Yensa show bianu ana. Tini yentumi nsan isa yentumi pass sabi.
No, yensa enche obianu because John Dramani Mahama has demonstrated say this time around Abrofo ntimi fire enye nkoa say the omdi aye over the years.
Nti we should be.
Utumra we trace because enanu ye yes, ye besan enanu ye unim say ye health issue health what partnership agreement bi America for ye ne say Yemfa ye health data mre wo mu na ye meji $108 million choppable dollars. John Dramani Mahama we ni sika chi anka say ye hia sika e de aye de wo say de impuntu enti ye de health data e koje $108 million. Enti we kire say John Dramani Mahama will not say because say entrumu Ghana for ye culture etiano because of sika and because of some consideration know yenye dey one sign me honestly me rapport senior John Dramani Mahama as I know would never relent on his efforts of sign the parliament we are. I am hoping say parliament be in tentem on be in tentem now me say during the table so me anto bet I dey within some few seconds John Dramani Mahama be the send it
Krona gaze men garden no binya ngami ngabi o sa krono land of him of ya yen garden o ana kwale gaze krona si yen garden no ewu no mi ne ba kunu bi fuese eh da bi ga gabi me kan no ewu ye radem da se man garden ga radem da se ka LGBT gabi eh ba obusa me de se me de mi gabi na se mo nche me de because me bi kan ma no be adwamu ma ye kwache ni ade yes me nuano mu kasa they talk as if say I say ye ne promise say ba LGBTQ ye be sign hwan who said it to who say jia ko fodo ko so sa okrom ha to say some say because of foreign aid that go fodo to me dey ensign but when akoye a way to sway Ghanaians attention from their failure omo fail Ghana for who can say no omo say Kevin Taylor say all stars are attacking Ekufuor former president ahona amfa ti be say e kwa be so ni bitimi yi Ghana for adwene free 24-hour economy na promise Ghana for now we are unable to deliver no Sa de be dia yen ka say LGBT family values bill na dey ye be sign. But the person ka chemu ni the youth out there say ma fairly warm. You promise Formula 133 and I could hear say from a high a copy kedetia minim ba bia enko miensa ekọ adwuma am go 3 times mi bi ho ba bia what fairly Ghana for what promise adwuma wura adwuma no ebi ni ho ewe he and then ye work you see recruitment adwuma ba go na ngori ni and America cho say the American say on bese o susi Ghana for attention every o failure na ayi ba me ka so bese LGBTQ we he said John Dramani Muhammad just simply so bese and never me somebody come back Kevin Taylor nobody go for them amfa and the baby some say you need Ghana for adwin emfam free but you got them say 24-hour economy na say oh na me tia say dia cost no we the political actors we the political actors and we the political actors no we understand the language we understand the language oh you Ghana for adwin free they run free and then you the chia bonye on the Ghana for kasa ya omo backlash ye be say ye ne bibi na Ghana for sa na NDC 14
mate abubara be da
oh mame land mame o je mbele me kan say mo promise Ghana for adwuma wura youth na basic program coders program whatever it is feed Ghana is a come graduate ye hu de ye ho live play ye mo ka say under 24-hour economy wo better so na bia wo company bi so be ya butimi dey afa no ko say
me da say mami rub straight here brother here na feeling for baby this and twice na yen see from what we have 2 minutes left na fi yes see from na sports for no full time about twice so Ade Akye so 1212 Eunice Yanko happy birthday special birthday to Mary. We are fashion designer of Efigasi. May the God continue to guide, protect, and uplift you every single day. Enjoy your day to the fullest. Dear niece, you deserve all the love and happiness in the world. I love you so much, dear, from your uncle, Kachiri Ubi Sompa TV. Kachiri Wafa Senene for Dawson, dear. Hey, you say no crazy or me any niece for any uncles for the happy birthday to Ernestina Tenkrai, CEO of Bapa Collections of Men's Wear and Ladies Wear, aka GH1 at Adanse Obuasinia Forestry Department, from Jacob Opoku Boa. And I always show a happy birthday. Happy birthday to Anima Victoria, an immigration officer at the regional office. This one is coming from Obapa Quincy. And also we wish you happy birthday. May your glory days explode and may you flourish. May you grow to see your generations to come. Happy birthday to you, Anima Victoria. And happy birthday also goes to you, Linda Jamra of Sompa TV, Sompa FM. Oh wow. Ya Linda. Linda Jamra. Nyame nka hono ntina ni munchiro no onye okese. Nyame ma wanamu ntu ahodo abetu nyina wasasi so enye fe na enye nhira na enye nsunso so ahodo wo timemufo ne amanfo nyina so. Happy glorious birthday to you, Linda Jamra. And happy birthday to you, Kofi Owusu Afriye. Kofi, nyame nka ho ma onyansa nimde ntiase nhunumu on the wejuma uye so that you can serve the country Ghana well. May he protect you and guide you always. May this your new age bring new understanding, wisdom, knowledge. I'll be to me a weki akuwenim na fi wanyinya nya badge ne bebre de abafi wai. Yankopon tina ni mchro. Thank you very much. Ya di jumadi ni nyina abesi Obapa Barbara Bibi. Na ya frames. And your friend, no, and the executive director of the show, or director show, no, Ade Akye Wote, Nana Kwame Wusun Kontabisa, and Canopay. And paying so your Kwame, so you Dr. Ashley Ebenezer, financial consultant, Egodin Komo, Eunice, and so a boy, me a choir, and I feel so actually Obi, and so a year babies Nina Kama de Maya Wote, Ken Abuba Danka, representing the NPP. communications director hopeful for Kwada so Oti Yaya Sedu, deputy organizer hopeful Ashanti region, and so on representing the NDC within the Kwame Agyarko. Edi Jumadi and AC our Hanum. We do see from Mekacho say live well before you leave. Good morning.